Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Audi SQ5 Prestige. This one's black. Under the hood is a V6 3-liter turbo pushing out 354 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights. It also comes with the Sport package, which is going to give you the red brake calipers, sports adaptive air suspension, and a sports rear differential. For wheels, we've got 20-inch BBS wheels. Tires are in good condition. For our interior, we have a nice gray leather with diamond stitching, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a power liftgate, set of clean floor mats and all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one also does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Opening up the door, we've got a keyless entry, memory seats, carbon fiber trim, suede, power windows, illuminated door sills with the Audi logo and the S badging, power seats. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. With the Prestige model, you're going to get a heads-up display, interior lighting plus package, Bang & Olufsen sound system, and a dual pane acoustic glass for front side windows, and a top view camera, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors. We've got heated seats, dual climate controls, USB touchpad for our media display, 8-speed automatic transmission, our key. Also, you can view your navigation on the display right here. This vehicle has 21,839 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this Audi, check out feldmannimports.com.